Top 5 Halloween STEM activities during COVID times. Halloween Ghost Projector. Use shoebox, magnifying glass and any smartphone to make it. Scary masks and glowing skeletons. Make using copper tape, LEDs, coin battery, all about circuitry and electronics. Read a thrilling adventure together. Read a thrilling mystery this Halloween, Ghost of the Forbidden City. Drawing cute monsters. Draw and paint cute monsters, party animals this Halloween. Wizards casting a spell. Cast a spell and do some magic. Learn to draw wizards. If you want more ideas on design and art, feel free to check out the 7-day trial to innovative design courses from Gustav Klimt to Van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, drawing bootcamp and more. Don't forget to check them out today.